Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your mobile screen to your laptop or how you can share your mobile screen into your laptop in Windows 11. Let's start by tap the setting. You can search on the Windows page here, Windows icon. You can click it, tap setting button, and then click the system, scroll down and click this projecting to this PC. So after that, please click this all available everywhere. First time only, never. But if you need one, you can do it. You can adjust and you can click this off if necessary. So after that, it's turn on your screencast on your Android phone. Try to search your laptop name and then wait until this notification is on. Type OK. So your mobile already connect into your laptop. As you can see, this is my mobile phone screen. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.